If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You may also nudge selected form and report controls in Form Design View or Report Design View in Access to move them just a little bit, freeing them from the restrictions of the Snap to Grid feature. This can give you extra precision in their placement on the form or report. To nudge selected form and report controls in Form Design View or Report Design View in Access, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. Then press the arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge the controls up, down, left, or right 1 pixel at a time. When finished, release the Control key. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.